they come into the clutches of many of the old age related health problems, because whatever we practice in youth, that has an impact in the old age. So this actually affects the biological clock of our body. To ensure that the old age related health issues do not affect you early in life, you need to take care of it right from your youth. There are certain things which has to be followed. That is, following a corrective lifestyle and corrective diet patterns. In the food, what you need to do is consume food within 3 hours of preparation. Similarly, adequate quantity of water has to be consumed, and also the seasonal fruits and vegetables has to be consumed in sufficient quantity. At least 250 grams of cooked vegetables in a day and at least 1 or 2 fruits in a day has to be consumed. There are also certain things which you have to avoid or restrict. Excessive consumption of salty items, excessive consumption of spicy, particularly the garam masala, and excessive consumption of sour items, especially the tamarind and vinegar kind of items. These things have to be avoided. Even though sour, there are certain items which can be consumed. For example, gooseberry, that is amla, grapes, particularly the black varieties. It can be consumed either fresh or as dry grapes, especially the seeded ones. Similarly, pomegranate also can be consumed. You also need to reduce excessive consumption of fried items, excessive baked items and junk food consumption. All these things has to be reduced. And regarding lifestyle, you need to ensure that you are pretty active throughout the day and regular exercise is performed, at least for 30 to 45 minutes of walk or yogasanas, anything. Also, it is important that you have a good sufficient sleep, particularly if you're working in the day shift. It is ideal that you go to bed by around 10 or 10:30 so that you can wake up early before sunrise. That is the ideal time. Similarly, it is also very important that you have a pleasant mental status. So to ensure that you can adopt any of the relaxation techniques, it can be either pranayams and meditations, or you can even address your hobbies, or it can be any travels or listening to music, anything. So when you follow these kind of dietary regulations as well as lifestyle regulations, you can be sure that at least you won't get the old age related health issues early in life. Aging, of course, is inevitable. We cannot prevent it. But what we can do is we can at least control the diseases that are likely to happen for us by taking necessary steps. First is the preventive aspect. People who are lucky that they so far don't have any kind of age related problems, what they can do is they can come in for a preventive therapy. So for preventing these age related problems, you need to start working from your youth itself. This is the right time that you start working in terms of certain therapies or diet or medications. Whatever has to be followed, you need to follow right from this time. So Ayurveda has mentioned a lot of rasayana aushadhas. So these rasayana drugs, before it is being administered, we generally do a shodhana karma, that is a cleansing procedure. So it can be done with any of the panchakarma therapies, depending on the person's physique, or depending on the work, depending on the climate, depending on so many other factors. The doctor will decide which panchakarma has to be done for that person. So after completing the panchakarma therapy, the rasayana aushadhas will be recommended, and under the doctor's supervision, this will be provided. So this is one way. Now the second is people who already have any of the health issues. First thing, we need to address that health issue. So it can be addressed with the help of any of the medicines, or sometimes some of the therapies will be required. Like say for example, if you have osteoarthritis, in that case some of the external therapies like bandages or something like what we say Janavasti, wherein we stagnate particular medicated oil in the bridge made out of certain medicines, and also elakiri, that is fermentation with medicated leaves tied in a cloth, cooked in a peculiar way. So these are some of the therapies that will be required. Similarly, for each and every disease, there are certain therapies that will be required. So that can be performed under the medical supervision, and once you are clear out of that disease, you will be recommended certain maintenance plans also. So that again, when you go to the same kind of lifestyle, you should not get the same disease again. So certain maintenance therapies will be recommended on a periodic basis. Along with this, certain rasayana drugs can be used according to the doctor's prescription. So this is the way a person can address their age-related problems or try to keep the age-related health issues at bay.